What do you think of the people that have concealed this secret?
I think the vast majority of them are heroes because they were doing it for the right reasons. The reason why people kept the Manhattan Project secret was not because you're going to threaten them with jail. That doesn't work. Out of 100 people, you threaten everybody with jail, there's going to be a 10 to 20% that are just, they're going to do it anyway. If you can explain to them that it's in the best interest for society, they'll keep it a secret. And I think that's what's happened here. That a large number of the folks in this are unwitting. But once they understand and they're shown direct evidence of these crashes and the deceased non-human intelligent bodies, some of which are biological robots, some of it are sentient beings. The grasshopper guy, for me, sentient being without a doubt. The little gray guys, biological robots. So that is such a significant threat that they feel that, yeah, society is not ready.